Welcome to Sugosha Media News. Today is 9th of June, and here are the top defense, aerospace, and strategic technology developments making headlines around the world. India's defense modernization efforts continue to advance as Indian Army issues an RFI for indigenous motor specialist vehicles under Make in India. Delhi-based aerial bots progresses development of a long-range Flying Wing VTOL UAV. L&T has signed a 18,600 crore rupees agreement in Tamil Nadu covering data centers, electronics and shipbuilding investments. India's defense industry is witnessing fresh innovation with Danta Innovations unveiling a next generation composite missile canister offering a 40% weight reduction. Meanwhile, a Japanese robotics startup is exploring partnerships in India for humanoid robot manufacturing. Internationally, France and Germany have formally ended their joint sixth generation FCAS fighter program, potentially creating opportunities for India's future participation in advanced combat aviation projects. In the defense technology domain, Russia has deployed an upgraded Tunguska M1 air defense system with a new electro-optical module to counter low-altitude drones. The United States has approved Kuwait's request to acquire $2 billion worth of counter-drone systems. A Polish-Ukrainian startup has developed a new radar designed to detect and track elusive low-flying drones, highlighting the growing focus on counter-UAS technologies worldwide. The news in detail. Indian Army has issued an RFI for the procurement of indigenous motor specialist vehicles, aiming to modernize infantry fire support capabilities under the Make in India initiative. The vehicles will automate fire data computation for 81 and 120 mortars, enhancing battlefield mobility, accuracy, and survivability in high altitude and contested environments. The RFI, published on 5th of June by the Directorate General of Infantry, invites domestic manufacturers to propose solutions that integrate advanced fire control automation. The MSV is envisioned as a wheeled, crew operated platform capable of receiving firing data from forward observers and motor controllers, which will then be processed by an onboard ballistic computer. The system will automatically calculate elevation and azimuth settings, reducing human error and significantly improving first round hit probability. The RFI specifies stringent accuracy requirements of 0 to 2 mils in both axes, with deployment and aiming achievable within 20 seconds and re-aiming possible within 5 seconds after firing. Each vehicle is expected to carry approximately 54 rounds, with provisions for future integration of larger caliber mortar systems. Delhi-based Aerial Bots is advancing India's UAV ecosystem by developing long-range Flying Wing VTOL drones, a project that aligns with the country's growing expertise in stealth and autonomous aerial systems. These UAVs are designed to combine the efficiency of flying wing aerodynamics with the versatility of vertical takeoff and landing, making them suitable for both military and strategic applications. Aerial Bots, headquartered in Delhi, is focusing on a unique blend of flying wing architecture and VTOL capability. The flying wing design, known for its high fuel efficiency and low radar signature, is being adapted to Indian conditions with an emphasis on long range endurance. By integrating VTOL systems, the UAVs can operate from short or improvised runways, enhancing deployment flexibility in remote or contested areas. DRDO has already demonstrated its autonomous flying wing technology demonstrator, which successfully completed multiple flight trials in Chitradurga in Karnataka. This program, known as SWIFT, showcased autonomous takeoff, waypoint navigation, and landing without reliance on ground radar or pilot intervention. The UAV was powered by a Russian NPO Saturn 36MT turbofan engine and constructed using lightweight carbon prepeg composites developed domestically, underscoring India's self-reliance in aerospace materials. Aerial bots flying wing VTOL UAVs are expected to build upon these technological foundations, incorporating advanced avionics, real-time simulation systems, and indigenous satellite-based augmentation such as Gagan receivers for precise navigation. L&T has signed a landmark 18,600 crore rupees MoU with Tamil Nadu government spanning three sectors: data centers, electronics manufacturing, and shipbuilding, with the projects expected to generate over 8,200 jobs and strengthen the state's industrial ecosystem. The largest component of the investment is a 15,000 crore rupees hyperscale and edge AI data center expansion in Kanchipuram district, designed to meet the rising demand for cloud services, artificial intelligence applications, and secure data storage. The second project involves 2,500 crore rupees investment in electronics and electric systems manufacturing in Coimbatore, generating approximately 2,000 jobs. This facility will cater to both domestic and global demand, strengthening Tamil Nadu's electronics ecosystem and complementing India's broader push for self-reliance in high-technology manufacturing. L&T has indicated that the unit will integrate advanced testing infrastructure, in-house R&D, and technology partnerships to deliver market-ready solutions across industrial, robotics, power electronics, and mobility platforms. The third project is a 1100 crore rupees expansion of L&T's Kattupalli shipyard in Tiruvallur district, expected to create nearly 5,700 jobs. The expansion will enhance the shipyard's ability to handle vessels from Indian Navy, US, and UK Royal Navy, while also supporting offshore wind installation and fabrication infrastructure. Danta Innovations, a Bangalore-based defense technology company, has unveiled its next generation composite missile canister, a breakthrough in missile storage, transportation, and launch infrastructure. The Danta composite missile canister is designed as an all composite, high strength, stealth ready modular system. It provides safe storage and reliable launch capability for surface to air and surface to surface missiles, as well as ship launched and mobile missile systems. By replacing conventional metallic canisters with composite structures, the company has achieved up to 40% weight savings, drastically improving mobility and reducing logistical burdens across platforms. The canister's advanced filament wound structure consists of an outer protective layer made of high strength composites, multiple structural layers engineered for stiffness and durability, and an inner layer that is chemically resistant to ensure long term protection. This multi-layered design delivers exceptional strength to weight ratio, thermal stability, and electromagnetic interference transparency, making it ideal for modern defense platforms that demand stealth and resilience. A defining advantage of the composite design is its radar and EMI transparency. Unlike metallic canisters that interfere with signals, the Danta composite missile canister ensures minimum signal attenuation, preserving communication and guidance systems during critical launch sequences. This feature enhances survivability in contested electronic warfare environments and contributes to stealth readiness by reducing radar signatures. The canister is highly customizable, capable of accommodating different missile dimensions and platforms. Typical specifications include diameters of up to 1.2 meters and lengths up to 9 meters, making it suitable for a wide range of missile classes. Applications span surface to air missiles, surface to surface missiles, ship launched systems, mobile missile platforms, aircraft integration, and secure storage and transport solutions. This versatility ensures seamless integration across India's expanding missile ecosystem. Japan's robotics startup Jinki Itai has announced its intention to seek Indian partners for the manufacture of its advanced humanoid robots, signaling a new phase of collaboration between Japanese innovation and India's growing industrial base. The startup, valued around 179 crore rupees, is promoting its robots through a subscription based model. Kanooka According to Kanooka, the CEO, the robots are expensive, but the subscription system makes them accessible in the same way mobile phones are used. This approach is designed to lower entry barriers for industries that require robotic solutions. In Japan, Jinki semi-itized robots are already deployed in high-risk environments such as railway line maintenance, and the company is now exploring similar applications in India, particularly in foundries and railways where worker safety is a pressing concern. In the global news, Germany has formally withdrawn from the Joint Future Combat Air System Stealth Fighter project, with France marking the end of the program initiated in 2017, as per German Business Daily Handelsblatt, citing the German federal government. The withdrawal marks the official end of the shared Franco-German sixth-generation aircraft program, following an unresolved and prolonged leadership dispute between aerospace contractors Airbus and Dassault over work-share agreement, with Dassault relentlessly seeking the prime contractor role on the program. Germany and France, however, will continue to jointly develop the system of systems, the combat cloud architecture that forms the other main pillar of the FCAS. The division of responsibilities for that element is to be discussed at the next Franco-German Ministerial Council, currently expected on 17th of July. Russia has deployed a modernized Tunguska M1 short-range air defense system in the Dobro-Pilia direction, with imagery circulated on 8th of June showing a rare 2S-6 M1 combat vehicle fitted with a new electro-optical and thermal television module. The upgraded positions the Tunguska M1 to counter emerging aerial threats by combining its proven gun missile architecture with enhanced electro-optical capabilities tailored for low-altitude drones and loitering munitions. The new NTC-LN sensor package gives the Tunguska M1 a stronger passive detection and tracking capability, reducing reliance on radar emissions that can expose air defense vehicles to counterfire. Combined with its 30 cannons and surface-to-air missiles, the system offers Russian units a more flexible local air defense layer against drones, helicopters, and low-flying threats, reflecting the wider return of mobile SHORAD as a critical tool in high-intensity warfare. U.S. Department of State approved a sale of $2 billion worth of counter-unmanned aerial systems to Kuwait. Kuwait requested the CUAS platforms built by Anduril in an effort to improve the country's ability to counter current and future threats. Polish-Ukrainian anti-drone radar company Molfar Defence is developing a new generation of tactical radar systems for drone types that have managed to penetrate Ukraine defenses. The technology aims to find small, low-altitude drones, including those connected to operators via long command wires, a setup that makes them immune to defensive electronic warfare. A quick wrap of today's news. India advanced defense modernization with a new Army RFI for Indigenous Mortar Specialist Vehicles, progress on aerial bots long-range VTOL UAV, and L&T's 18,600 crore rupees expansion across data centers, electronics, and shipbuilding in Tamil Nadu. Danta Innovations unveiled a lighter composite missile canister. Japanese robotics firm explored humanoid robot manufacturing partnerships in India. Globally, France and Germany ended their joint FCAS sixth-generation fighter program. Russia deployed an upgraded Tunguska M1 counter-drone system, and the US approved Kuwait's $2 billion counter-drone acquisition. A Polish-Ukrainian startup introduced a new radar designed to detect low-flying drones. At Sugosha Media, we simplify complexity, from decoding defense policies to enabling market entry and structuring offsets. We help organizations move from strategy to execution in India's aerospace and defense ecosystem. Join our online thought leadership sessions featuring insights on defense, aerospace, strategic technologies, and emerging innovations. Follow Sugosha Advisory on LinkedIn to stay updated and be part of the conversation shaping the future. Our focus is clear: turning regulatory understanding into business outcomes. We look forward to partnering in shaping the next phase of growth in this sector. Thank you.